The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga was conspicuously absent on Thursday at Morris Depot, where President Emmerson Mnangagwa officiated a pass-out parade for graduating police officers. Sandapenda mashoko obudanyuka pana vazhinji aiwa Chiwenga missing at police event. Don't forget subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamudanyura chiti Chiwenga was the only high-profile official from the Presidium who was not available at the event, raising fresh speculation about the ongoing power struggles within ZANU-PF. The event was attended by key government officials, including Chiwenga's co-vice president Kembo Mohadi, Defense Minister Opam Chinguri, State Security Minister Love Matruke, Higher Education Minister Frederick Shava, and the National and Central Provincial Affairs Christopher Magomo, among others. Security chiefs were also present, alongside the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZAC Chairperson Michael Reza and Postal and Telecommunication Regulatory Authority of Zimbabwe Potras Director General Dr. Gift Machengete. 907 police officers graduated at the ceremony, with 624 males and 283 females completing their training. However, Chiwenga's absence overshadowed the proceedings as speculation over the relationship with Mnangagwa continued. Chiwenga's no-show at Thursday's event is not an isolated occurrence, but part of a growing part of absences from key state functions presided over by Mnangagwa. These absences have fueled speculation about a widening rift between the two former allies, with analysts suggesting Chiwenga is strategically distancing himself from Mnangagwa's administration. Chiwenga played a decisive role in the 2017 coup that ousted former President Araji Mugabe. Domashka nobuda panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa, why is it generally amongst aiwa high profile leaders vakanga varipo anokuwanikwa aiwa asipo pane chionekwa kuti nyika iri a deep political time panguva inoi vanoona kuti aiwa is distancing himself. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.